Hi everyone, I'm Stéphane Boyer. I just arrived and I cannot wait to see you all. See you. I decided to come here because I really like and trust in the project, and like for me, I heard many good things about this club, this city, and yeah, I really wanted to come here and to play here. I just discovered the gym like a few minutes ago, and it's very nice. And I cannot wait to start practicing, and then for the games and yeah, to start the season here. Um, the city same, like I didn't see it all, but not yet. But I really like, I appreciate, and yeah, I'm sure that I will be good here. I spoke with both of them, with Julien and Yacine, and they say to me like it's perfect, like a perfect organization of the club, and the city is quite yeah, it's not too loud everywhere like big cities, and that's perfect for me. Like I don't like so much so much noise of the big cities, so for me it's perfect. Like I'm still flying. I'm still on my little cloud. But yeah, it's for me. I think I don't realize yet. Um, yeah, I think it takes time to realize. But my feeling, it's yeah, I'm for sure happy, proud, and yeah, exciting for the continuity of the years of the seasons, and the reasons. I think there is the most important, I think, is the team, the group, because we started this competition not in the best way, and we didn't gave up, and we just continue, and then one game like we start to play, and for the all the rest of the competition we played our level, and yeah, I think like the group, yeah, the way that we always stayed together and focused on the competition, and we didn't give up, and that's why I think we won. So I think after the loss against Argentina in the group phase, we were like, okay, maybe we can start to pack the stuffs, and because maybe soon we will go home. But then I don't know, like the spirit of the team, I don't know, the day after we were like, okay, nothing happened. We just continue to fight, and we will see. And yeah, the game after against Russia, we played good. We won, and I think this was the little thing, the game that make us start the competition. Then after, of course, the quarter against Poland was. We get so much confidence in this game for the rest of the competition. Yeah, this final um, was hard after the two first set that we won. Like, okay, we play good and we fight, but not like against Poland, for example. And after that, yeah, from 2-0 to 2, then the tiebreak 7-4. We were like, was nice. Like we were two sets for us, and then we have to play the tiebreak. But it's the same. Like the focus, this team, it's like we never give up, and we fight until the end. And again, like this worked. it is my decision. I spoke with him, and before that also I spoke also with the team to know like if it was a problem, and no, like I decide to not to take a rest, but like to yeah, mentally rest, we'll say, like, and to arrive here and be calm, not because I had to bring some stuff from France, and to organize the to start the season not slowly but with calm, like not that I have to think about to how I will do to bring some my stuff between two practices, and so for me, like I have time to organize the, um, the new season.
Yeah, your life in the club.
Yeah, yeah. So that's why, like, I decide to see also my family. That was for me the most important. That I didn't see them from while. So yeah, so we played in against Belchateau with when I played in Chaumont. Then yeah, I watched some games, and of course of Benjamin Tognotti, but not that much. Um, I really like. We all know that Polish championship is one of the best of the world. So yeah, I'm even more exciting to discover and to fight for this championship. Easier, like on the court, we say like it's of course because we know each other. We played with each other, so
And
uh,
he's one of the best.
yeah, for sure. Like he's one, yeah, the best setter of the world, and it's so easy to play with him. Like trust me. And I think for the beginning of the season, you know, like when you have to find the way, like the set, the settings, it's will be so much easier now. And for opposite or spiker, it's so amazing to have a setter like this. Sure, like to feel that I'm okay. So for me, it's I'm the one that I can live everywhere. So, but of course, like it's gonna be easier, like to be here with one French guy more, and yeah, it will be really nice. For me, I'm like, of course, I'm dreaming about the titles, victories, but I just think about the next game, and to win the next game, how to win the next game, and then yeah, the season will go on like game after game, and yeah, that's all. Like I just don't want to think too far, to don't dream. I don't know. Yeah, so game after game from you.